Hello, namaste to all my respected teachers, my friends, seniors, and my adorable juniors. My name is Manashi Chakrabarti. I am a 2002 pass out, class 12. And today I would like to welcome you all to the first episode of our very own talk show, The Alumni Know Them. So by now you may have seen several teasers and several social media postings with regards to this program, which aims at introducing our alumni and their life stories. Today, I have the privilege and pleasure of introducing one such alumnus who have been an unsung hero doing work in silence towards the development of society. He's the founder and executive director of Parijat Academy in Guwahati, which was started in 2003 with just four underprivileged students in a small bamboo room without any facilities. Today, Parijat Academy has more than 500 students, who studies free of cost from class 1 to class 10. He has received many recognitions and several awards in various forums. To name some of them, 2009 Eastern India Women Association Social Service Award, 2011 CNN IBN Real Heroes Award, 2017 Karma Yogi Award from the Lions Club. Please join hands with me in welcoming Harbinger of Hope, Mr. Uttam Teron, KV Maligaon, batch of 1992, class 10. Namaskar, Uttam da. Welcome to the show.
Namaskar, Manashi. I'm so happy to connect you all to this medium. And thanks to Mukesh sir for connecting and informing that these kinds of talks going to be held from this month. I think this will be the first episode. And my respect to all my teachers who are shaping us and to dream, to shaping us to dream in a big way or whatever. And all of my friends who are KVN, connecting through this social media. So
Right.
Manashi, yes, and love to share with you all about my activity also. Yes,
Right.
I'm
Uttam,
happy to
how does
connect.
it feel being connected to PAN KBM? You know, after I think 28 long years, you passed in 1992. How does it feel now?
Oh my God, it's it's nostalgic. It's like a nostalgic. I have no words to say because it's like a school days is like a golden times. It's like golden times. School days is like a shaping a life actually. From our friends, whatever we did in our school days, whatever we learned. Though I'm not a good student, moderate, but still we enjoy. We learn from friends circles,
Right.
the environment surrounding actually whatever we are doing now, actually from friend circle, from neighbors, from surrounding, we learn. And we miss school days actually.
Right.
Yes, I miss school days. And social media bringing closer in this platform because without this social media, we have not known to other friends who are and globally doing different works. And this is the best mediums. And thanks to who created the Cavians, and is the person who is taking the initiative of Cavian. There's a pan Cavians, the Mukesh sir. And really, it's a good, it's a refreshing, it's a flashback.
Right.
When you talk about like a 28 years, I'm back to that days, Oh my God, in class in 8, 9, 10, those whatever we done with the friends, really. Those are the learnings time actually. We do
Right.
not know what we will do in futures, but it's the time shaping us,
Right.
giving a platforms. As a KV is a platform actually, What we have learned from friend circle is what we are using these things now,
Yeah,
replicating
I
some ideas.
totally agree with you, Uttamda. I think when I heard about the fact that I'm going to have a discussion with you, I personally wanted to do it in Ohomia, but our KB Maligaon alumni and the current students, everybody is located globally. So I think this
Absolutely.
discussion was very, very important. So tell me, do you miss your school days? Are you in connect with your friends?
Yes, some are not all, but some are, my friends, my class 10 batch, some are like a bank manager. I think that they left jobs, they're looking some things, non-profit organization, really. And some of my friends are visiting to me. And surprisingly, my batch, they are in some UK, they visited, whenever they visit Maligaon, they visit to Parizat. It's like after seeing them, in school days, oh my god, that times the fitness, their health is now fully different, and after meeting long years, oh, it's a feeling some things like what to say, I don't know any particular in English word, but it's like a refreshing,
Yeah.
connecting,
You
and
great. You
remembering all those
well.
days.
Yes,
It's a great,
absolutely,
yeah.
absolutely. Right. Uttamda,
uh, yeah.
yeah, so I was saying, tell us about the inception and the story of Parijat Academy. How and when this thought to basically give it back to the society, right? Do something for the society. How did that come to your mind? Can you tell us the story about that?
Manasi, actually, I was not interested in this kinds of teaching. Teaching is not my blood, actually. Before that,
Okay.
is it coincidence? In the coincidence, when I spend my days here in my village, I have seen my village locality children drop out. They're not interested to go to the even the SMS medium school also. Then it struck in my mind what they will do after 20 years and 30 years, because the Guwahati city will expand, and a lot of it will become a hub in futures. So education is the most important tools. They have to learn, they have to gain, they have to knowledge, to handle with the current situation. So if they not, if they not not familiar with educations, they will lost. Simply they will live, but their life will be simple. They will enjoy, but they have to spend like little bit of quality. It thoughts my it comes to my mind that let's start something, a learning center in my home. At initial stage in 2003, that times my parents are not happy because toy bhikhari kam koi ki lapas hai. So instead of this, from this work, you will not get any money also. Instead of wasting your time, it is better to work in a company like that also. Suddenly, I took a bold initiative. Let's do something. Okay, jo bhi hoga dekha jayega, like that, with my 800 rupees, I started in small cow shed where there is no particular room. There's an old dilapidated conditions of cow shed. I started with 800 rupees. I told to my neighbors that send your kids to my center. I will teach them 1 hour. That's my mission actually. To slowly, yeah, that was the beginning in 2003. Then later, slowly in 2004, 2005, silently the words spread at village to village. Within 3 years, 32 kids joined. And after that, the parents asked me to start class one. I have no money. I have to beg. I have to tell to friends, okay, you give us tin seat or like a bamboo wall, something like that, like that. That was a journey actually. Now I am in the I'm in the Sakra Bihu. I could not come out. I cannot escape from this situation. Now, like a 18-year journey in this Parijat Academy. It's a non-profit school, like a SMS medium school, but school uniforms like a KB style. Everything is like a KB style. KB is school uniform. The prayer models are the Kendra Vidyalaya model. Still the Satrapadika student pledge. I do same things. I replicate things from KBA way. This is the thing actually. It's like a common things. It's like a something like mix up. So let them enjoy like that.
Right.
This was the journey actually.
Yeah, you said you started with a meager amount of 800 rupees.
Yeah.
Was there anybody who kind of really said, okay, you have way less money, but you should do that, or was it an internal instinct that came in?
Absolutely. Yeah. That's my like igniting inside me, igniting. I mean, I have to do something. Before the teachings, I don't like, but now I'm really happy to be associated with the kids because they are very tender. They're like a flower. They do not know good and bad. We can mold them, whatever we know, whatever we like to do that way also. But they're enjoying what we, if we teach them like wrongly, they will accept wrongly. So that's why we have to be very careful that we are enjoying. And by the way, we have to teach them joyfully. Joyfully is a joyful teaching is most important. Otherwise, learn by heart, do this, do that. They will not like. They will, otherwise they will not come from next day.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why we are doing activity-based learning actually, and we have connected with interested volunteers across India. Whoever want to comes from different part of India also to teach with the children at Parishad Academy. Always I encourage, always welcome to do, because we have to take from learns people. We have to take from expertise group. I'm not educationist. I'm just a common person. Whatever my mind says, I'm doing. That's the thing actually. I'm not a great person. I'm just doing what my heart says actually. This is the thing actually.
So, Uttamda, what does Parijat Academy actually, what are the kind of subjects that you cater to? Is it only education, or do you also give, life lessons, something?
Life skills, we are adding a lot of things. Sports, we are adding. Like a vocational skill. We have sewing and tailoring groups in the school, where our girls, they learn sewing and stitching like a kurti, these kinds of sanitary pad, reusable, washable sanitary pad. Our girls, they know how to make, and we distribute in remote forest villages where there is no access of sanitary pad. I think still now more than 5,000 sanitary pad pieces we distributed inside the forest village. I think so.
Wow.
And besides that, we've started like a handloom things also. Let them understand about textile basic things, like that. We have to make them like an entrepreneurs. We are giving like entrepreneurs feel. If they understand these things, from school level, if after completing their 10 plus or graduation, let them take these kinds of initiative actually, so that instead of the government job is a very limited. It depends, it's very competitive. If they become like entrepreneurs, they can stand on their own feet also. They can take micro loans. We have to build them capacity actually. Capacity building is the most important for among the students, because smart students, they will get jobs. Those are like a moderate, medium size, like learning disability. We have to show them the way actually.
Right.
So that they can help their parents actually. Yeah.
So,
That's the
when you
thing.
started, I'm sure, there weren't many kids. So, how did you convince the parents? And now, are the parents actually willing to send their kids to Parijat Academy?
Yes, in the initial years, suppose in 2003, I approached villagers, whom I know them, their children are not interested to go, but I told them, let them send to my center. They will learn 1 hour at least something, After liking my work, actually, this work is splitted. Now I do not need to convince parents send their kids to Parijat Academy. I'm very happy to see this sign of progress actually. The entire locality is Parijat Academy is bringing a good impact in our entire society. That means those who are like a little bit good family, who are a little bit understanding about the value of education, their children also sending to different school also, but it's a Parijat Academy changing the scenario of in our area now. Actually, yeah.
That's so wonderful to hear. So Uttamda, you have been recognized in multiple forums, right? And one of them being the CNN IBN Real Heroes Award. How difficult or easy was to get to that recognition level?
CNN IBN Real Heroes Award is like I think it's like a replicating like a CNN award, like an American CNN news channel, But India CNN IBN, they started these kinds of things in India. I think the 4 or 5 edition. After that, they stopped that one. Luckily, I got one day. I called from Noida. That CNN IBN official called me. You were selected for the CNN IBN award. Okay. And I was not familiar with CNN IBN because this is English channel, news channel, and I do not know anybody. Then maybe I mistakenly, I think the same name, I think mistakenly the phone calls, I got a phone call. I was not surprised in initial first day, but after 3 days, again, they called me. They told me you have to stay, and our team members will go and they will take a video shoot and a photo shoot. Yes, and you have to stay. Then I'm serious. They took a video shoot here and they featured in the CNN news channel. Then later in the year 2011, they call me to comes to Mumbai for this award function. This is actually they collect data items very silently without informing me, very secretly. It is very surprising, you know, no nomination, nothing. Very secretly they do a survey item. It is very surprising. Right. That is like a good. It's a good platform, and I'm very humble and honored to be CNN Heroes Award, and among the 24 people in that edition in 2011. So really I'm happy, and I got a connection with different people in India. Those were doing awesome works, amazing work in India with different capacity in different sector, health, sports, educations, different things. It's unbelievable. People are doing like really, I'm nothing. If I compare with him, I'm nothing with them. I'll compare with them.
That's
So
you know, being very, very humble, Uttam Da. The very fact that you have been recognized in so many forums shows that how valuable your work towards the society is, and people have been recognizing you for that. So Uttam Da, I think it's time to have some fun. Yeah, I think we have spoken a lot of serious things. Let's have some fun. Let's do a rapid fire round. Let me hear from you. Yeah, how does that sound?
okay.
All right. Okay. Your favorite teacher in KV Maligaon?
My favorites, there is no particular. All teachers are my favorite. All teachers are my favorite. I respect all them because I have
dramatic.
Yes, Manchester, say again.
I said you're being
all teachers are my favorite.
All the teachers are going to love you for this.
All teachers are my favorite. Because you know, in a KV times, you know, I got a chance to dance in annual function at break dance. You know, into I forgot. I was class 9. You know, because I was good in yoga. Okay. I love yoga that time. You know. That's why our Sen Gupta sport teacher, Sen Gupta sir. You know, Sen Gupta sir. He told me you have to there in annual function you have to dance a break dance. Breakdance, I'm not expert in breakdance. You know, I follow like Govinda, I follow Mitunda, I follow the Michael, the Moon, you know, Jafet Jeffrey dance. These things are, really inspiring me. I love movements, yoga, body movement. I think
show me. Show us a step. Why not? Let's see a step.
Now.
Something like that. Yeah, why don't you do that? It's amazing. Awesome! Wow!
And I got 2 chance to dance in our auditorium, in annual function. Suppose when I was in class 9, in the farewell times, so 10 and 12. Our friends told me, hey, let's have one cultural programs, because we will announce like edible items and they will sit and eat. We will show something dance, something, Kaushik, my senior, I don't know, he's in UK or in the US, I don't know. It's a very movements we together dance with a Michael Jackson Dangerous song, Dangerous album from the. It's a very long, that is a very, I'm tired actually on that day, and we enjoyed the school days actually, from that, from annual function. Even a small younger brothers and sisters, they call me, oh, you see the dancer guy, coming, really, it's like, I'm not a good dancer, but anyway, I enjoy.
Awesome. So your best memory from school days?
To say, there is a lot of memories, I'm mentioning one. I got a chance to attend in Siliguri in Scout meet. KV, Northeast KV Scout meet.
Right.
I do not know I have no knowledge about Scout, My senior friends, all of my senior friends are like a friend, they told me, hey, you have to come to Siliguri, you have to join with us. I have no idea. I don't know what is left and right, and right turns, left turns, aage piche, in one day, they taught me just one day. I learned this way. And we went to Siliguri, Kapil Kendriya Vidyalaya. We spent 4 or 5 days, Our seniors are very expert in this line. I'm only dull person. I do not know why I catch those things, Yeah. But surprisingly, in a Siliguri meet, I got selected for the national,
Wow.
National, very surprisingly. But my senior friends, they do not select it, they're not selected. And if I go to national level, if somebody asks me what is Scout, what you have experience, I have no experience actually. Then in the last moment, I also ran away with them to Jalpaiguri station,
Okay.
I back to school
Okay.
because I had to go alone to Odisha that time.
Mm-hmm.
What I will do, lonely there. I have no idea about this school.
Right.
So
Right.
this is very interesting and memorable, memorables, like that.
Right. Absolutely.
And others, yeah.
Glad to hear that. What kind of student were you? Were you a naughty and troublemaker, or were you a good and obedient, or a mix of both?
I'm not troublemaker. I'm not naughty also. I'm very middle types. Middle types. I'm like a mix. I'm like a middle. I'm just I observe the things actually. That's the things really. I observe.
Okay.
Sometimes we bunk class during class. You suppose sometimes Sanskrit class. Maybe we bunk and go for movie like that. Also in Nonpoma Cinema Hall and Fluxus Cinema Hall. We enjoyed. That.
Right. I was just going to ask you, did you ever bunk the school assembly, and how did you do that? What kind of bahana did you make?
Bahana means assembly. I'm very serious. During assembly, I love attend. Morning assemblies, I'm serious. But after say after 12, it's like a very tired and boring, for us, And the backside wall, I told our friends, you to keep your my bag and just give to my friends, and then we can go by a different way.
Right.
And the friends are very helpful,
Absolutely.
very helpful.
Absolutely. What is your favorite place of Adda in Maligaon? Where you kind of meet your friends and
we spend in whole Maligaon is my very closer. Whole Maligaon is my closer. My senior friends, he's a very he loves to dance in different part of Maligaon, also different puja in Durga Puja, so like a Diwali,
Yeah.
Sometimes we give Adda in the railway stadium, there's a pond,
Yeah.
yes, on the backside. Sometimes in a Charali, this, yes, and sometimes Gosala Gold Park, and that side, I think a Subtle Gate side also, we go there, we spend with friends, sometimes we exchange like something, different things. I take my bicycles from here. I go up to Maligaon. Then yeah, sometimes I stay with my friends' house also. And Maligaon is like very closer. If I tell to my friends, you're always saying you're Maligaon. It's a hard closer actually.
Yeah,
Actually, Maligaon is
you just reminded me of my school days and the days that I stayed. And I'm sure all our people who are listening to you would have gone back to their old times.
Yes. Yeah.
Uttamda, a lot of people, a lot of alumni, after hearing you're one of the role models. So after hearing you today, after hearing your story, maybe some people who want to do something for the society, they would want to hear from you on how would you recommend them? Where is it that they should start? If they have anything in their mind.
This option is open. It's a person to person. It's not no need to like a big organization. It's like a charity begins from home. Actually, whatever if our friend circles, if they want to they want to give back to the society. Yes, they can give service wherever they're. If they are Bangalore, if they are in a Delhi, if the neighboring society, if the needy children, they go and talks with them. Whatever, if we be happy with the children, that also a loving kindness. We have to be very loving kindness with our children, with our parents. It's also like a charity, instead of suppose if we helping to others, we have to look after their parents also. That also, like that also. Old people's handicaps. We are very blessed. Suppose we are very blessed. We are not handicaps, so we can give to the society needy people, not a monetary, in a kind words also are like a giving back to the society. Kind words, idea. If somebody asks like idea, if I am capable, if I know, we have to share. If somebody, there's a contribution. Care and kind is different. Like a words, like a having associated. This also kind of contributions actually.
Right.
It's not like that to Prized Academy. It's not like that. Just it comes on my mind. Suppose if I not work like a Prized Academy, suppose somewhere I will be there. If I work with a company or something, yes, but it's a coincidence. So it's not like an organized type, not a school. It's a coincidence happens. So it takes me, and luckily Parijat Academy also giving this platform. I got opportunity to meet many people, also got a chance to visit different part of places also,
Right.
like that also.
I think the takeaway is that charity begins at home, and I think we all should do
At
our
home.
bit to the society.
Yes, yes.
Uttamda, thank you so much for your time today. And I, on behalf of KV Maligaon, would like to thank you from the bottom of our hearts, for making all of us proud through your excellent service to the society, to the community. And we look forward to to you winning many more accolades.
And Manasi and all Kavians, those who are watching our this talk, this program, please, whenever they comes to Maligaon, please do visit to our center. Come and interact with our children. This will be a great blessing for our children. Please, I humbly request all of you, if you get time, please do visit or drop a message to us so that we can share with our children, with our staff. That will be our encouraging for our team, for children. And Manas, you have to come whenever you come to Maligaon.
The next
With your
time I'm
family.
in Guwahati, I will ensure that
Yeah.
I will come and meet you and have a look at Parijat Academy. So, all right. So, thank you for watching this episode of The Alumni Know Them. And Tata, bye bye, and stay glued for many more such exciting episodes to come. Bye bye. Namaste.
Bye.